JLPT and 5 Grammar Explanation, Lesson 20. Ichibang, polite style and plain style. The Japanese language has two styles of speech, polite style and plain style. Polite style. For examples, Ashita Tokyo e ikimasu. I will go to Tokyo tomorrow. Mainichi isugashi desu. I am busy every day. Sumo ga suki desu. I like sumo. Fujisan ni Noboritai desu. I want to climb Mount Fuji. Doitsu e itta koto ga arimasen. I have never been to Germany. Plain style. Examples. Ashita Tokyo e ikko. I will go to Tokyo tomorrow. Mainichi isugashi. I am busy every day. Sumo ga suki da. I like sumo. Fujisan ni Noboritai. I want to climb Mount Fuji. Doitsu e itta koto ga nai. I have never been to Germany. The predicates used in polite style sentences and accompanied by either des or mas are called the polite form, while the predicates used in plain style sentences are called the plain form. Nibang, proper use of the polite style or the plain style. Polite style. The polite style can be used at any time, in any place, and to anybody. It is most commonly used in daily conversation between adults who are not close friends. It is used when talking to a person one has met for the first time, to one's superiors, or even to persons in a similar age group to whom one is not very close. The polite style may be chosen when talking to a person who is younger or lower in rank but not so close. It is also used when talking to one's close friends, colleagues, and family members. However, one needs to be careful about how much politeness is needed, depending on the age of the conversation partner and the type of relationship. If the plain style is used inappropriately, it can sound rough and impolite. So when the situation is unclear, it is safer to use the polite style. The plain style is commonly used in written work. Newspapers, books, theses, and diaries are all written in the plain style. Most letters are written in the polite style. Sangbang, conversation in the plain style. Questions in the plain style generally omit the particle ka, which denotes a question, and end with a rising intonation such as nomo. For examples, Koe o nomo? Do you want a coffee? An nomo? Yes, I do. In noun and na-adjective questions, the, which is the plain form of des, is omitted. In an answer in the affirmative, ending the sentence with the could sound too rough. You can either omit the or add some sentence final particle to soften the tone of the sentence. Women seldom use the. For examples, Konban hima? Are you free tonight? An himada. Himada yo. Yes, I am. Used by men. Hima. Yes, I am. Used by women. Hima janai. No, I am not. Used by both men and women. In the plain style, certain particles are often omitted if the meaning of the sentence is evident from the context. For examples, Gohan tabiru? Will you take a meal? Ashita Kyoto ikanai? Won't you come to Kyoto tomorrow with me? Kono ringo wishi ne. This apple is tasty, isn't it? Soko ni hasame aru. Is there a pair of scissors there? Note particles de, ni, kara, made, to, etc. However, are not omitted because the meaning of the sentence may not be clear without them. Yobang. Omission of iro in verb te form. In the plain style, e of verb te form plus iro is also often dropped. Examples: Jesho motero. Do you have a dictionary? Un motero. Yes, I do. Un motenai. No, I don't. Gobang. Use of kedo. Kedo has the same function as ga, which is used to connect two sentences. See lesson 8.7 and lesson 14. It is often used in conversations. Example: Suno kare rice so oishi? Is that curry and rice tasty? Karai kedo oishi. Yes, it's hot but tasty. Somo no chiketto aru kedo isu ne ikanai? I have tickets for Sumo. Won't you come with me? Ine. Sure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Japanese Learning Hub. Matane!